Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 6-person hot tub spa with 170 bubble jets, heat pump, and 12 Type S1 filter cartridges. Relax and indulge yourself in the Intex PureSpa 6-person inflatable heated bubble hot tub. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa, or adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. Tilt your head back and let it relax on the inflated headrests. This Intex Pure Spa portable hot tub provides simple maintenance with 12 easy-to-replace Type S1 filter cartridges for clean, refreshing spa water, and the built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin for a soothing experience. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Ready for water in about 20 minutes and can be deflated for easy storage or transport. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.